What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, Tree John Valencia, and welcome back to Chule Asia Diaries. A mega love shout out mga ka-Jeromantics all over the world. That we are back for another Sky Garden performance of Jerome Ebardome. And this is for the song The Wonder of You. Yes, excited tayo for this performance. But before proceed, guys, I just wanted to invite you sa Elvis Night sa RJTV sa January 14th. Nako, exciting yan at aabangan natin yan. Siyempre, reactan din natin ang mga performance ni Jerome dito sa True The Asia Diaries. And of course, kung bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True The Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. The Wonder of You. First time ko mapapakinggan to. Is it an Elvis Presley song as well? Oh, iba talagang hagod ng Jerome. Saka yung knee step niya, no? Parang yun yung fuel.
Welcome po. Okay na po, lagi na po kayo. Hindi nyo makikita yung mga live nila pagka magkasama. Kasama po nila si Bar. Magaling na po ako.
Parang yung nagla-live, may sakit siya. Get well soon, ate. Wow. Oh my God, ang ganda ng escalation na yun. Tapos, sustained notes ang ginagamit ng Jerome. Let's go back to that a bit, guys. Dito, ang ganda. Ganda ng runs na doon. Wow! Grabe, nakakailap pala tong The Wonder of You. Original ba to ni Elvis, guys? Ang ganda! I wanted to listen to the original version as well.
Baron, hello daw. Hello.
Ay, hello, Sir Baron. Ayan, pagpasensya na yung ilaw natin, medyo nag-red alert tayo. Charet. Wow, the riffs and runs. Grabe yun. I want to go back to that. Habang nagre-red alert yung ilaw natin, guys. Kasi talaga naman, sobrang electrifying ng performance si Jerome. Diba? Ang sustained and at ease. Oh my God, I love it! Napaka-romantic nung dating. Wow! Gusto ko yun. Love it. Diba? Ang consistent na Jerome doon. Grabe, guys. Super consistent. Let's go back to that part. The super at ease lang siya and you feel the romantic vibe. Parang ako yung kinakantahan ni Jerome. Chares. Wow! Oh my gosh! Kabog! There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Ebardome performing The Wonder of You. Oh my God, ang ganda pala ng kantang to, guys. At bagay na bagay sa Elvis vocal ni Jerome. Sobrang romantic. Naku, I wanted to check the original version. And also, kung merong performance si Jerome on TV, yung sobrang malinaw yung vocal, I wanted to react to that, how he sing it. Maybe sa RJTV4, sa Legends Night. I'm not sure. I'm gonna search for it. Or kung meron kayong alam, guys, tell me in the comment section kasi I wanted to see his full performance. Yung maganda yung video, yung maganda yung audio para ramdam na ramdam natin kasi gusto ko makita yung eyes ni Jerome while he is performing. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa ating reaction for today, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. And also, again, sa January 14th, Elvis Night on RJ TV, guys. Abangan natin yan sa RJ Bistro, I mean. And of course, once again, my name is John. This is Chulesha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.